Join me as I take on the challenge of packing for my next adventure, using only the ultimate destination packing checklist. Let's see if I can fit all the essentials without leaving anything behind. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, packing can often feel like a daunting task. But don't worry, I've got you covered with travel essentials, expert travel advice, and foolproof travel tips to make your packing process smooth and stress-free. Now, let's dive into the ultimate packing checklist, breaking down everything you need to bring along for a stress-free trip. Number 1. Clothing. When it comes to packing clothes, versatility is key. Choose items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits, which will help you pack light while ensuring you have plenty of options. Think about the weather at your destination and pack accordingly. Layers are always a smart choice, as they allow you to adapt to changing temperatures. Comfortable shoes are a must, especially if you'll be doing a lot of walking. Don't forget to pack a pair of dressy shoes and a nice outfit if you're planning on attending any special events or dining at upscale restaurants. Consider packing a lightweight jacket or sweater even if you're heading to a warm destination, as it can get chilly in the evenings or in air-conditioned spaces. Number 2. Toiletries. Toiletries can take up a lot of space in your luggage, so it's important to pack smart. Opt for travel-sized versions of your essential products, such as shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and lotion. Not only do these smaller containers save space, but they also help you comply with airline regulations for liquids. Be sure to include any personal medications and pack enough to last your entire trip, plus a few extra days in case of delays. A toiletry bag with compartments can help keep everything organized and easily accessible. Don't forget items like a razor, deodorant, a hairbrush, and any skincare products you use regularly. If you wear makeup, choose a few versatile products that can be used to create different looks without taking up too much space. Number 3. Travel documents. Your travel documents are the most important items you'll pack, so make sure they're secure and easily accessible. A dedicated travel document organizer or a secure pouch is ideal for keeping everything in one place. This should include your passport, visa, if required, boarding passes, hotel reservations, and travel insurance documents. It's also wise to carry a photocopy of your passport and a list of emergency contacts just in case. Consider using a crossbody bag, neck wallet, or a money belt that you can keep on you at all times to avoid losing these critical items. Additionally, store digital copies of your important documents on your phone or in the cloud, so you can access them even if something happens to the physical copies. Number 4. Electronics. In today's digital world, staying connected is essential, which means your electronics need to be at the top of your packing list. Bring your phone, laptop, tablet, or any other devices you use regularly. And don't forget their chargers. A portable power bank is a must-have for long travel days when you might not have access to an outlet, especially if you rely on your phone for navigation or keeping in touch with loved ones. If you're planning to capture memories, a camera and its accessories should be included. But for many travelers, a smartphone camera may be all you need. Number 5. Emergency items. It's always better to be prepared, so make sure to pack a small kit with essential emergency items. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can be a lifesaver if you develop a headache or sore muscles after a long day of exploring. Band-aids are handy for minor cuts or blisters. and antiseptic wipes can help any small wounds. If you're prone to digestive issues, bring along some antacids or anti-nausea medication. Depending on your destination, you might also want to include insect repellent, sunscreen, and any allergy medications you use. A small first aid kit that includes these basics can fit easily in your bag and provide peace of mind throughout your trip. Number 6. Portable laundry detergent. This might seem like an afterthought, but a few packs of portable laundry detergent can be incredibly useful, especially on longer trips. These compact, lightweight packs allow you to wash your clothes in your hotel sink, which means you can pack fewer items and still have clean clothes throughout your trip. It's perfect for emergencies, like when you spill something on your favorite shirt, or if you just need to freshen up your wardrobe without finding a laundromat. Having the ability to do a quick wash in your room can also save you money on laundry services at your hotel. Number 7. Travel-sized umbrella. Weather can be unpredictable, and a compact, travel-sized umbrella can be a lifesaver. It's small enough to fit in your everyday bag or carry-on, yet sturdy enough to protect you from unexpected downpours. Even if you're heading to a sunny destination, a travel umbrella can come in handy for providing shade or protection from sudden showers. Plus, having your own umbrella means you won't have to buy an overpriced one in a pinch. Look for a lightweight, wind-resistant model that won't take up too much space but will still hold up in a storm. Number 8. Earplugs. Earplugs might be small, but they can make a huge difference in your travel experience. They're essential for blocking out noise during flights, especially if you're seated near a crying baby or if the plane's engines are particularly loud. They're also great for ensuring you get a good night's sleep in noisy hotels or hostels. Whether it's traffic noise, a loud air conditioner, or snoring roommates, earplugs can help you tune it all out and rest well. Consider pairing them with an eye mask for the ultimate sleep kit, ensuring you're well rested and ready to explore each day. Number 9. Universal Power Adapter. If you're traveling internationally, a universal power adapter is a must. Different countries have different types of electrical outlets, and you'll need an adapter to charge your devices. A universal adapter with multiple plug options ensures you'll be able to plug in wherever you go, without having to worry about finding the right type of outlet. Some adapters even come with USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. This little gadget is a traveler's best friend, making sure you can keep your phone, camera, and other electronics powered up throughout your journey. And at number 10, we have the first aid kit. A well-stocked first aid kit is a small but mighty addition to your luggage. It's one of those items you hope you won't need, but you'll be glad to have if you do. Include basics like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, gauze pads, and adhesive tape. If you have any chronic conditions, make sure to include enough of your medications to last the entire trip. Plus, a few extra days worth in case of delays. You can also add items like motion sickness tablets, antihistamines, and a digital thermometer. A small travel-sized first aid kit can easily fit in your luggage and provide peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for minor injuries or illnesses. These tips will help you pack smart, stay organized, and avoid common packing mistakes. Remember, the key to a successful trip is preparation. So, grab your checklist, start packing, and get ready for your next adventure. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love to hear your top packing tips. What's the one thing you always bring on a trip? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out my other travel guide videos for more travel advice and tips. We're here to help you turn those travels into epic adventures. See you next time!